Hi, Marlowe. I thought it would be easier actually for me to explain what I was talking about by making a video than try to explain an email. So I am participating in this program that's integrating this Web 2.0 tool into D2L here. So what's happening is I think that my personal email is what's in the system. So that's what it is integrating with. Just to kind of show you an example. So right now I'm going to create, see, I'm a trial user for PlayPosit here. When I go in to create an assignment with this PlayPosit, um, it is integrating with my school email, but I'm sorry, with my personal email, but it's my school email that I use for PlayPosit. So I'm not able, it's automatically just communicating with that, I was told, because I just spent on Friday some time with their tech support. And they explain that because my Gmail is what is in the system, that that's what's being communicated back and forth. So I don't want to mess anything up. I don't want to lose passwords or anything. And I certainly do when I log into K-12 into D2L, I use my school email. So I just think something might be like maybe when I started, my personal email was used. I'm not sure, um, but that's what's happening here. So I can't really use this program that I'm working with here um, because of this integration issue. I hope that helps. Thank you.